Well, nice to see you in the beautiful, wonderful barnlight. And today is the only chance you will find a wonderful word for numbers. This word for numbers today is a special word that people have seen before, and you will list it when you come in the room. Please come in. Now today is the day that we're going to do it in the office room again. Now when I mean a number chart, I mean a number chart. Now today is a special romanza. We're going to draw a very special romanza today. A final rosing. Now you all can sit down. So we're going to just close this door. Now today's special number word is data. Does anybody know what data is? You. Numbers! I like that person. Very big seclusional numbers. Very good. Well, today is a special show of Full House numbers. And a special Milwaukee romanza is going to come in the middle of the show today. He is the guy from the Dignity Man of Number Potions. And the day of Number Potions is a wonderful experience. Please look. Now I'm just going to draw a big chart here. A number chart. No, I can't see today because I'm trying to look wonderful for my act of Dimension. Now, I'm going to draw a chart here. Now, when I draw this chart, you will see every look of in the Doxy mode that you will find, okay? Now, what we're going to do is do some big numbers and some small numbers. Now when I do this chart, it means that it has to stay organizing and fertilizing most extraordinary rhythms. And it is always good when you find a chart that Doggy Dum Dum, Lovely Rita, Sinkus, Balutse, Believe. Now before we start, we want to do this very first in numbers in Spanish. Now would you please repeat after me once I point out the notes? Cinco, pocos, big blues, big loop, big go, wuta, vita, wute, wuta, Now when I said that, would this seem crazy? Because you don't know things about this poem. You never heard the word, you don't know anything yet. But you will come to this very big number I'm going to write down on the board. I need you to watch. Now what is that big portion of a data number that I just put down? You. Now guess again. Now, think of, there's a 7 in the 1's place, there's a 9 in the 10's place, and there's an 8 in the 100's place, and there's a 1 in the 1000's place. So it's 1879. Very, very good. I like that. Now I need you to watch at our next number. Now, this next number is kind of hard. It has the same numbers, but it has one extra number. Now who can read that? You. Very, very good. I like how you do the 1, the 18, and the 9 for the 7s. Very good. Now, the number is 1886. Can you read that? Very good. Actually, for our final touch, the number is 1786. For potionist, remain potionist. Now, when we do this in Chinese, you're going to be very lapara and very lapuba to the answers. Now, who can tell me a Chinese accent from these BV numbers? Good. Let's again. Butadito. No, that's not it. Guess again, that's Spanish. Bonist. Bonast. Ready? Bonist. Bonist. Buffatil. Buffatil. Very good. So that number is 86. Now, for our next portion of a number, I'm going to write down a number that nobody has seen for a long, long time. And I need you to guess which one this is. Now, what is that number? You. Good. Good. So it's 1615 and 6. Very good. So repeat after me. 1615,006. Can you do that? Now, what if we do it in Spanish? Again. Now look it. I did this. And I wrote down 3 numbers already that circles the right rhythm in our number chart. Now I need you to watch very carefully what I say. 897, 786, 656, 1897, 1786, and 1656. Now, did everyone repeat after me? I'm going to do that again. 897, 786, 685, 156. Good. 1897, 1786, 1656. Now, did everyone get that? Now it's time to do it in Spanish. Bute di bute blas, bito bupite blas, bute di blite glas, beauty de the blas, beauty de the blas, beauty de the blas. Very, very wonderful. I like how you added those squeaky moo numbers. Very good. Any other answers? Very good. So you used data, you made a chart at home, and then you corrected that answer to a 9. Very, very stylish. Very, very good. Now, for this next number, you have to be a bit tricky, because this is a big number here, and you might want to be hard on it. Now watch very carefully. Now what is that number? Think about it. I'm going to read it after you think about it, okay? I will have some answers. Now, very wonderful. Thank you. Now, what does this number say? 1106. Very good. Pipson, I suspect you should be walking low. Now, I need you all to say these numbers out loud for me right now. Are you ready? 897, 786, 656, 1, and 110106. 1897, 1786, 1601, 56, 111, 06. Can you do that in your head? Very good. So a question for you. Very good. So you got the answer down. And how did you get that? You did this. So you subtracted 7 from 6, 5 from 6. And what else did you do? Okay, I see. 9 from 8, 1 from 0. And what is the answer? God, and you also did 8 plus 7 plus 6 and 1. And you also did 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Very, very good. Now, would you like to see the request? No? Okay. Now, for this next number here, it is a special number. It is like the most tricky number in the universe. Now, can you read that? What is that number I just wrote down in our data chart? Very, very good. So, if you looked at that, I put 00106. Good. And you found that also it's 00106. Good. And it's actually 106. Now let me put the ending numbers. Good, perfect. Now anybody seen those numbers in your life? No, they're simple. Because I remember the same exact thing of these numbers. Now I'm going to practice them in Spanish. Now you start from here. Let's read the numbers we have so far. 897, 786, 615, 6, and 1106, and 00106. Very wonderful. Thank you. Now, for this next number, you have to be tricky, because this is even harder. Because I know you're getting older, smarter, and most of all, you're getting very excited about this first note. Listen very carefully. Now, what is that big number? Very good. Now, did you see that I made a big number on the second line of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So the sixth line, I put this number here, this big number. Now, first of all, we need to split it up. Then we'll say the whole thing. Now copy with me. 01108 969 700 and less than 100. Can you do that? Good. Can you say that by yourself? Good. Perfect. Now we need to say it splitting up. Now first we need to go with the 811. Can everybody say that? Very, very good. 108. Everybody say that. 108. Good. 896. 987. 700. Can you say that by yourself? Very good. Split it up. Good. Did you say that? Good. Now I would like to have one more question from Adesta. Good. What is that question? So you had a data chart, but you got it wrong at the very end, and you had to fix it up, and then it was still there. Very good. Now can everybody say this whole numbers in Spanish, and then this number, and then splitting it up? Okay, here we go. Can you say that? It was a bit hasty for me. Good, perfect. I see some of you are right on task. But Gibson, you need to stay in for recess when the others are out the doorway. Do you understand me? Okay. Now, can everybody see this number? Now let's read it all in English accent like this. Copy after I do all the same. And then copy after I do one. 1897, 1786, 1600, 156, 1100, 106, 00106, 001, 11, 058, 96, 98, 700. Can you say that? Very good! Thank you! It was most happy. Now repeat after I do one, and then we'll move on. Good. So repeat after me. 1897. 1786. 1600, 156. 1100, 106. Then 00106. Good. And then it's for our biggest number. 011, 089, 6000, 9800, 700. Good. Can you do that? Wonderful! Wonderful ideas. One more short question from Croqueta. Good. So you made a data slim. You made it on paper, I see. And you made the slim, and then you made numbers on it. Very good. Now let me fill these in. Good. Perfect. Now, when you do this number lastly, you have to be modalizing and fertilizing your ideas. Because this number is a big number that nobody knows for a long, long time. read that number. Okay, now let me read it for you once. 0,106,0896 98,800 0. Can you read it? Very good. Now everybody, look real careful, and then we have one more to go. Copy me. 1897, 1786, 1601, 5, 15, 6, 1, 1100, 1, 0, 106, 0, 0, 100, 0, 1, 2, 6, 0, 1, 1, 8,069, 9,700. And then lastly, for our last number, 0,1600, 08, 96, 9880, 0, 0, Very good. Perfect. Now, very, very nice. Now, let me just fill in the last part of these numbers. Good. Now, for our last number is going to be an easy number. The hardest number of all is this number here. Now, can anybody read that number? You. Good. So it says here. Now, I'll read it once, then you have to figure it out on your own, okay? 6,100,000 million, thousand, 100 million, 1,000. Can you read that? Good. So copy after me. 1897, 1786, 1615, 1100, 106, 00, 106, 111, 89, 6,098, 700, 016, 80, 96, 98, 9,000, 0. Water. The last number is 61,000 million, 10,000 million, billion, billion, thousand, 16 and 1,000. Very good. Huh. Phew. Now, did that take a long time or what? Now, I would just want to thank you for the kindness we give today, of the kindness of data numbers that we have been practicing all year long. Now, everyone can get your coats on, and we're going to go outside, okay? Now, is everyone listening to me? Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, everyone, I'm just going to cap my lid so it doesn't dry out. Wonderful today. You did an excellent job for me today, and I hope it'll keep on working for you. Now, this way, I need you all to be very kind when we go out the door. There might be other classes. Wonderful. Now, this way, it is a pleasure for you to be working with me on data number shows. Now, we're going outside, okay? Then we're going to put the thing in the bush and let it go. Now, I'll walk you to the Edmonton gate, and then we'll stop. Now, is everyone ready? Now, we hope you visited us on the Full House Romanda Posts on the wonderfulness of Chappie. Goodbye.